Magandang hapon po mga mamshis. Kumusta po yung ating pagtuturuan ng letter sound kahapon? Okay, so lilinawin ko lang po ha. Yung pagtuturo po natin ng letter sound, hindi po isang upuan yung 34 letter sound. So, tuturuan ko po kayo paano gagawin yon. Tapos, talagyan natin na iba pang activities. So, pwede po natin siyang gawan ng ganito, ng activity. Yan. So, meron tayong ituro sa kanya na okay na, today, magkakaroon tayo ng letter, sound, magkakaroon tayo ng review, magkakaroon tayo ng identifying activities, vocabulary, and sight words. Okay? So, yun. Pwede mo siyang idikit dyan. Nakikita ng bata. Yan. Okay. And then, so magsa-start ka na. So, i-review mo muna. So, again, 4 to 5 letter sounds lang muna yung targetin natin. Kasi medyo madami kapag lahat yung 34. And then, meron pa tayong other activities. So, okay na. Nare-remember mo kung ano yung letter sound natin dito with the long A. Okay, so again, the sound is, okay, hindi. A. Very good. Okay, another one is, the sound is A. Good job. Next one is, okay, yung matamis or masarap na ice cream. Okay, very good. And next one, very good. Okay, so done tayo sa review natin. Very good. You participated well. Lalagyan kita, bigyan kita ng happy face. Okay, there. So, ginagawa natin yung reward kasi sabi ng isang parent nga sa akin, Pits, ayaw magbasa kasi mas gusto mag-gadget. So, pwede mong gawin ito, token, na kapag naka-5 happy face siya, magkakaroon siya ng time para mag-gadget later after your activity. Okay, next one. So, let's have our review again, anak. So, pwedeng gamit ka ng ibang cards naman. Nandun ulit yung letter sound. So, again, the sound is, kung hindi niya maalala, pwedeng mag-cue. So, A, very good. Okay, so the mommy A and the A. Okay, good job. Next, it's, okay, A. Usually, pag nakita na ng kid ko, yung ganitong sound, nakaganito na lang sila. Okay, so pwede mo na sabihin, yes, very good, thanks out. Okay, but the sound is, very good. The next one, yes, good job. Okay, and the baby M. Okay, next one, we have the, yes, the okay, very good. And, okay, and then pwede mo siya, kasi target natin is para ma-identify niya yung letters. So, ako usually ang ginagawa ko kung bago pa lang is like, halimbawa ngayon, today, pang ilang days nyo pa lang naturo ko. So, pang second day nyo pa lang, ang ginagawa ko, ano lang muna, konti lang muna na letter sound ang binibigay ko. So, halimbawa, so dalawa lang muna. So, yung, okay, ito lang muna, at saka, yan. Okay, so ilalagay mo din sa ilalim nila ang kanilang, okay, ang kanilang lowercase. Okay. And then, okay na, yung sound natin ito ay, the sound is, Can you point to me, listen properly, the letter with the sound of Okay, very good. Kapag na-point yan ng maayos, very good. Kapag hindi naman, okay, akin yung kamay mo na. There, that one is the Again, what's that? Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, so that's for our identifying. Okay, so since you're very good naman, Nak, I'm going to give you another happy face during the review and then the identifying. Okay, good job. Galing naman. Okay, Nak, let's go to vocabulary. Okay. Isip ka. So, ang target muna natin ngayon is yung ating short A sound. Yung ating ah, ah. Okay. Pwede naman natin siyang sabihin o tanungin ng mag-give siya ng things na nasa-start sa short A. Okay, example, kung nakakita na siya ng ant doon sa garden, so sasabihin mo, anak, ano yung insect na nagko-crawl doon sa garden? Okay, so pwedeng ganun. Pero since hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas, okay, so dito lang tayo sa loob ng bahay, so pwedeng inside the room lang or inside the house lang. Pili kayo at hanapin nyo, or pag hindi naman yung name, pwede mong ituro. Pero right now, meron ako naka-ready na mga picture naming natin. So we have this one, okay, what is this, anak? Yes, this one is arrow. It's okay. Then, okay, that's arrow. Okay, next one, we have the axe. Yes, very good. It's axe. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, this one, favorite mo na fruits. Okay, there is the avocado. Yes, good job. And the other one, so hindi masyadong familiar dito, so pwede mo nang i-name agad. So this one is the anchor. Very good. Okay, let's name them first. We have the arrow, the axe, avocado, and anchor. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, pag hindi pa niya masyadong ma-name, pwede naman niyo mong ipa-identify. Okay, now, can you point to me the picture of avocado? Then, wow, good job! Galing naman ng anak ko. And then, how about the arrow? Very good! You're galing-galing naman ng anak ko. Wow! How about the anchor? Yes, good job. And how about the axe? Very good, galing. Okay, good job, anak. Okay, so I'm going to give you another happy face. Okay, now, let's go to our sight reading. Okay, so sight reading, pwede mo nang introduce since bago. So, anak, this one is A. Again, your turn. A. Okay, this one naman, anak, is and. Okay, so let's have A and. Okay, very good. Your turn. Good job! Okay, how about this? This one is away. Para mas madali nyo lang maalala, lagi kong ina-associate ito, tinuturo ko sa kanila na away! Ayan, so, ganon. And then, balikan natin. And, away. Very good. Out, this one, big. Very good. Okay, this one is big. Okay, balik. A, and, away. Big. Very good. And the last one, this one is blue. Okay. So that one, there. Okay, let's review. A, and, away, big, blue. Good job! Ang galing naman ng anak ko. Okay, since you're very good, bibigyan kita ng happy face. Okay, nak. Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 happy face. So, pwede kang maglaro later ng gadget. Okay. So, yan pwedeng ganon yung natin, reward natin siya na bago siya mag-gadget, gawa muna siya, mag-read muna siya. And then, yon. Basta yung tandaan natin, wag buo, wag isang bulto ng kasi lalo kung mga 3 years, mga 3 and a half, mga 4, mahirap pa sila talagang turuan. So, yon, reward system lang tayo. So, ayun. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe and God bless. So, shout out kay Yup Guide Asbitara, my #1 fan. Thank you very much, Ma'am Shees. God bless!